to another episode. Today we're gonna have a look at cleaning up inside these front yards with the 40 plus years of road grime and old sealant. Look at the front end here too. As you can see, I've already made a little start over here on this side. Plus I've got my supervisor there. Some of the tools we'll be using today. Got the old 4-inch grinder with a wire wheel, trusty screwdriver and scrapers, a little multi-tool, drill with a wire brush, and not to mention the PPE. Also a trusty comfortable seat, which is a milk crate from the 80s, and most importantly, because it's summer in Australia, we need some refreshments. One thing that I've found when it comes to cleaning up all the old seam sealer and some of the grime that you find in here, it's instead of just hitting it directly with a wire brush, if you have one of these multi-tools, I think I've touched base on something like this in a previous video, but they're a lot more effective of getting underneath and out of all this old crap in here. So let's get into it. Bit more with that multi-tool, so now we'll try and hit it with the wire brush and see if we can get the rest of that crap off. So I was on the way to grab some sealant, and I picked up a pair of pliers on the rear tyre of the cruiser. Good thing it was just around the corner from here, so they're doing me a solid and getting me back on the road. Fun times. These were the culprits here. That ended up in my back tyre. Unreal. So crisis averted. Just I'd like to say a big shout out to the guys here at Chinchilla Tyre and Battery. Yeah, thanks for fitting us in such a short amount of time. Cheers. Righto, I've survived my ordeal with the flat tyre. I've just come back from the shop, so I've picked up some El Cheapo paint brushes, some wax and grease from River, and some of this like rust treatment paint. It's similar to, I guess, that KBS or 415. We'll see how it goes, because I'm only using this for underneath the car and parts where it's not going to really matter what it looks like, as long as it's just a good barrier and stops the rust. That's all I care about. So making sure the supervisor here is happy with our progress, so I'll give that a bit of a clean up, and then I'll commence coating it with the stuff and see how we go.
Hi!
Alright, that's the first coat done. Doesn't look too bad. We'll see how it looks when it dries, and give it a second coat. Just as a comparison, that's how it originally looked like. This is just on the other side. So it looks like it's much better. So we'll see how we go with this stuff. Did a bit of research, and it's pretty much all they had available here in town. As I said, it's pretty similar to the KBS stuff, so time will tell. Hopefully it'll do what it says on the tin, but we'll see soon enough. Well folks, there's only a short episode today. We'll leave it at that. We'll keep an eye on the painting. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it's going to be alright and do what it needs to do. So on that note, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.